In this video, I will explain you how to create the query based view object. Already we will see in the last video how to create the entity based view object by clicking on model, new, view object, and here we select the entity and we create using the employees table. We see the we can modify, we can do DML operation in the um, entity based view object. So now for the query based view object, first what we will do, here we will write one query. uh, yeah, we need to first for the departments we need to create one view object. So for that, let's go to model, new, view object. Here we can give departments view, and here you select the query as SQL query. Click next and write the query here. Select department ID and department name are the two columns, so select department ID, comma, department name from departments, order by department ID. So let's test and explain. Here department is spelling wrong. Okay, let's go to edit. Here test connection. Let's close this box and we will correct it from here. Department name. Yeah, query executed successfully. So here our query is working fine. We will query results, if you want to check, you can see here it is ordered by department ID, means 10 20 30. By default it is taking ascending order. It's in order 10 20 30 from small to big number. So now we have to check this, is it working with the application module. Close this one. Now click on next. Click on next, next. Here department ID is a key attribute. This is must. In each view object it is necessary to mark one key attribute. If you are not going key attribute, if you are not giving key attribute, you will not get the proper results. So you should check this one. This is a key attribute is marked or no. If it is not, you have to mark. Click next. Here I am not adding with the to the application module. I will show you how without marking this how you are watching your result. So click next, finish, click save. Okay, it's fine. um, Here app module, run. It will take few minutes. You can see here this is our previous result. Now just now we run our application module and let's see. Yeah, as you can see here we didn't include the application module there in the wizard. So here only employees view object, the entity based view object, it is working. So what we have to do is in the app module double click here. As you can see here we created the departments view object. So bring in the data model here. Here as you can see here employees view, that's why it is displaying in the application module only one instance. Here bring data department view and click here. Now save this. Now you can run and see. Yeah, now data model we are using in the UI layer. We need to create the view object instance, you should remember this. If you didn't mark there in the wizard, then you have to create the view instance. Here our department's view object is present. Double click it. As you can see here it is showing the results in ascending order, 10, department 20, department 30, and it is because it is a query based view object we cannot update and modify or here see it is inactive. You cannot create a record, you cannot delete a record, so it is only a read only view object. So our data is working fine. Now if you see, if you click on the employee view object here, this is active. You can create a new record by clicking the plus button. You can delete a record by clicking on the delete. You can save the record. You can update like this. Now I will show you how to create a static view object. So for that you have to go to the model, new view object. See here, you can give the name it as, we are creating for gender. Give name like this. Caps lock is on. And now this time we are taking the type of view object as static list. Select, click on next. Here attributes, I need to create the attribute which I want to show in the view object. We need to create the ID which is must for each view object. So here give the name it as id, and here click ok. Now we want one more column, that is description, for example. Click ok. Click on next. See here, we need here for id we need to give key attribute. It is must in all types of view object, we need to give one key attribute. Remember this point. Click on next. See here, id and description are our two attributes. We need one for m, id as m, and here description. These are the static values we are providing here. Click next. Here we are using add to application module. If you give this in the wizard, there is no need to go to the double click application module, bring the instance there. Directly it will come in the application module. Click next. Finish. Now save this. As you can see here, we have created entity based view object with the employees table, and query based view object with the departments table, and here gender view object. This it is coming a static view object as we have created. So now we will check with the application module. As you can see here, it is appearing in the application module, these three view objects. If you click on the gender view object, see here it is id m and description male, and if you click on the next, we have two only, male and female attribute, these two attributes. So f for f id and description as female. This is also this is also a type of query based only, because we cannot modify the data, but these are the static values. No need to write the query. Instead of that, we are providing the static values to the view object. So I hope this three view objects it is clear for you. For programmatic view object, you can see my other video I have already uploaded. So thanks for watching.